This. This is Miguel.
Hello!
Miguel is a fisherman from Calatagan, Batangas. Fishing is his job. However, Miguel often finds himself covered with scrapes and wounds from fishing. Oftentimes, Miguel's wounds become nurseries that raise bacteria. Thus, infection begins to creep into Miguel. Miguel is just one of the many fishermen in Calatagan who have yet to experience proper wound management, a problem which is quite frankly overlooked. This is because infections are not just a concern within hospital walls. They lurk in our everyday environments, waiting to strike when we least expect it. Fishermen have the right to receive quality healthcare treatment. Now the question is, how do we mitigate infection in fishermen's wounds? Is there even a solution to this? Well, there's always a solution to everything. One solution to this is dressings that are sustainable as well as accessible for fishermen like Miguel. We must be considerate in serving the fisherfolk. And these two things might just be the answer. Mangroves are abundant in Calatagan, and luckily enough, they hold medicinal value. To add to its applicability to fishermen, dressings for wounds can also be sustainably waterproofed through plant-based wax. With that, we can now answer some questions. First, how can mangrove tannin be extracted simply for fisherfolk to produce the dressings? Second, what are the properties of mangrove tannin that protect fishermen from bacterial infections such as fish handler's disease? Third, how can the dressing be waterproof? Tannin from mangroves can be used for its antibacterial properties in coating gauze dressings to make it anti-infective. To be properly utilized by the fishermen, it can be coated in wax, specifically carnauba wax, for the dressings to be waterproof. This type of dressing is also cost-effective as minimal replacing of the dressing will ensue, which will lead to minimal spending for new dressing. With a new kind of dressing for wounds, fishermen will gain added armor that will protect them from infection. Abrasions on fishermen which are often overlooked can now be properly addressed. And this can apply not only to fishermen, but to anyone who may need protection from infection. As a community, we should help each other with our needs, developing alongside one another. Proper health treatment should be a benefit given to all humans. Health, a common good, shared by all. One small step, like innovating an antibacterial wound dressing, can lead to great changes and growth among fellow humans.
We are Group 4 and we stand for prevention for further infection. Good night!